Welcome back, tech fans and drone enthusiasts. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most intriguing releases by DJI that's got the FPV community buzzing worldwide, the DJI Goggles N3. They've shown up first in the Philippines, even before Europe and the US have access. Yes, it's true. The Philippines saw an early release on October 30th, with Europe following on November 6th, while the US release date remains a mystery. But what's all the hype about? Are these the new game changer in FPV flying? So, sit back as we unpack the specs, features, and possible reasons behind DJI's staggered release strategy and discuss what these goggles mean for the future of FPV flying. DJI took an unconventional route this time by debuting the Goggles N3 in the Philippines. This has led many to speculate about DJI's regional launch strategy. Normally, we'd expect simultaneous global releases for major tech products, but here, the rollout is staggered. Some say it's about testing demand in smaller, FPV-friendly markets. Others believe it could be about avoiding regulatory challenges. For instance, the US market has often faced delays with DJI releases due to import regulations and approval processes. Jasper Ellens, a well-known DJI insider, hinted that U.S. customers might experience delays with this product due to potential customs hurdles. One of the standout features of the DJI Goggles N3 is the advanced head tracking technology. This innovation allows users to control their FPV drone with just the movement of their head. Imagine being able to direct your drone to the left, right, up, or down just by turning your head. It's not only convenient, but adds a whole new layer of immersion. By integrating head tracking, DJI is allowing pilots to experience FPV flights that feel more intuitive and lifelike than ever before. With these goggles, you can pull off stunts like 360-degree spins and 180-degree drifts with just a tilt or turn, making complex maneuvers much easier. This hands-free approach also means you can focus more on the visuals, making each flight experience smoother and less about manual controls, and more about experiencing the ride. For FPV racers, this head tracking could even lead to quicker response times, and for content creators, it means capturing smoother footage with less effort. DJI has equipped these goggles with a high-resolution 1080p screen that operates at 60 Hz, paired with an impressive 54 degrees field of view. This setup provides crystal-clear imagery with vibrant colors and smooth transitions, essential for serious FPV pilots who rely on a clear, responsive screen to navigate complex aerial routes. N3. The larger FOV and high refresh rate aim to eliminate that discomfort, providing a more natural, immersive experience. DJI seems to be going all out to ensure that even extended flights won't strain the eyes, making these goggles a practical choice for professional and recreational pilots alike. One feature that's likely to attract a lot of attention is the design focus on comfort. DJI has really thought about accessibility, ensuring that the Goggles N3 are suitable for a broad range of users. For those who wear glasses, DJI has finally addressed this common issue by designing a spacious interior that accommodates eyewear comfortably. This eliminates the need for extra lens inserts or awkward adjustments, which can be a huge relief for pilots who wear prescription lenses. These goggles are also equipped with enhanced padding and adjustable head straps to provide a snug yet comfortable fit. Whether you're taking short flights or spending hours testing new routes, the N3 is built for comfort. Plus, the weight distribution is balanced to avoid unnecessary pressure on the face, allowing for extended usage without fatigue. Goggles N3 support 4K recording at 60 frames per second. This is essential for those who use their drones for filmmaking, as it provides ultra-high-definition footage with fluid motion. Imagine capturing sweeping aerial views or close-up shots of nature with every detail in perfect clarity. With 4K recording, DJI is appealing not only to casual flyers, but to professionals who require quality content. For anyone serious about video content, this feature is a game changer. Not only can you see in stunning detail through the goggles themselves, but you're also recording at a level that meets industry standards. Goggles N3 integrates seamlessly with the DJI Fly app, where you can customize various flight settings, monitor battery levels, and access tutorials. DJI has also expanded on the available flight modes, allowing for different levels of control and customization. Whether you're a newbie exploring the FPV world or a seasoned pilot, these goggles offer modes that can adapt to your skill level. One of the biggest questions surrounding the DJI Goggles N3 is, of course, the price. Based on early reports, it appears that DJI is positioning the N3 as a mid to high-tier FPV goggle option. While not officially confirmed, estimates are hovering around the $500 to $700 range, which, considering the features, is competitively priced. DJI has set a high bar with these goggles, combining top-notch visuals, comfort, and innovative features that appeal to both casual users and professionals. The inclusion of head tracking alone may spark a wave of similar features from other brands, potentially leading to even more competition and innovation in the FPV market. In conclusion, the DJI Goggles N3 have set the stage for what could be a new era in FPV drone flying. With impressive specs, head tracking, and 4K recording capabilities, these goggles are already becoming a must-have for drone enthusiasts. Whether you're a hobbyist or a professional, the Goggles N3 offers something for everyone. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell if you want to stay updated on all things tech and drone related. Thanks for watching.